Kumasi online GH.
Afia Vim lady. And so the nanua to ambulance once and sema to forcing any attorney general any jackpa woman once and semia attorney general audio saba bonti echere se wo frɛ jackpa any jackpa kasa yese was rena mani be piemu one beka so yare ni ade and pay me the once and sem bebre na be so musa so na enra enwumbre na me be so mo na enra no panso no me de hu sensem bebre na be so na sabe ya me no ka say Vim lady ne somebody aba bonte ne say so we disappointed in attorney general ye papa because attorney general dey we one of the respectful people lawyer just woni made lawyer wa benka lawyer say what parliament house the MPP party ni mu nyina kwa ne ye o mu tipempo any attorney general no nim ne ntia attorney general say bi enkwala statement say no wetimi edi o say 6 months aka ye ni ma ye de koto abai audios upon audios are MPP party no so aboabo no against Mahama wo so de ba no enye asem keto akra na ene wa say attorney general de ko so e wo kenda pa just an side chick peja wonsa no e peja ne sa peja nai no e peja nai puto no e punuto de ko so wo social media usual kenda pa eni megbe gu asi nyina no attorney general ntumi nso MBB enfemfiri e bia na attorney general no hu ni say when your side chick and I say slave queen asem slave queen the kanda party and say ja ne be man na ho popo and I know baby di akwa kwose na we nyina no e be to no ba ye so big to say we di a wo no ne de na wonim say wo ya de e betumi aboa no and some of them lady aprogu ho no me say nya asem keto ye nkoni enkotie no so mra sisi ya.
Here is the ethical issues, ethical questions that is being raised against Godfrey. And then only prosecution witness to interview. In any case, a security expert. Why would Attorney General be talking to a prosecution witness in your car? In your car? And what am I doing because on the back of the auto, he can yet a gun from Hayao, yet your man and Kandapani will be quiet telephone video call. Change your style, be like that, turn around, let me see you, raise your leg. Mana to takra ase mami bi e be say mami kro be say sisila mafo na nyum no fa ko wachi takra ma una no yet come how yet o ma Ghana we mu and obi ko ya kanda pa ho national security minister omo ko ya na mana to takra una no fa ko wachi takra una no na we go fa me won sua bibia wo accept as you are we are lawyer so ma be o Ghana go fa me wa bro e be so what bless it? When you know you Godfrey to what? Why are you even calling prosecution witness? And me sure say the prosecution witness gata. Or to make Godfrey kasa. Not just a conflict or the kasa to some more. What another be familiar. Na say they na no mu nsua lo. Omo call law school bia o. But adebe ni na bu omo so ne kama bi agro tafne wa no. When it come maybe a bro, better flow and not go for Danny, Ubano. Say a whole attorney general, Why are you meeting prosecution witness in your car? Now, any bonkobo, now no prosecution witness, you can know your argument. Why are you doing that? Can the person never and once you be a and another not say a concrete perception say. I think they justice the power they attention here Ghana and this that is where my worry is. It is dangerous for Mother Ghana. It is dangerous for Mother Ghana. Say Ghana every day Ghana fly a case go court. Obi on my the Kronwa to no so. Obi on my the Bonibia to no so. Stealing kitwabi. Na over no onya attention here was onyebi. Na see ya wa say. Ya kasa kola ba ko. Ya de na kwa kotumo ya de ya. Wako ni teacher money for you, but it was robbery because for the second teacher no including a money for you in mobile phones a lot of people didn't understand why sir Akolano didn't get plea bargaining but a politician there will plea bargaining because robbery according to plea bargaining law now the same parliament here what Ghana ya passing robbery is not allowed under plea bargaining and and your bonnie, I want to say misdemeanor. Bonnie be eketwa. And your bonnie say now bet me plea bargaining. A lot of people didn't understand. But the issue near one say who go for Damio, why the entire judiciary, parliament for NDC NPP, your job is to ensure some integrity about judiciary. Because NDC, I don't know, 6 months to elections. Now I'm not sure to Facebook, now go forcing me, boy. This is 6 months to elections, there will be more tapes. Because if you have an election, a second election, we are so close, and you're bumper to bumper elections. Because last 2 years, NDC was leading 6%, and I said I think 3 or 4%. The last one I saw, organization in UK, Mobile Ghana, University of Ghana for so year back. Imagine about 1 between NDC and MPP. If you have an election that is close like this, because I was saying case fine this one we are pursuing justice. But Ghana for because you see, Ghana politicians, I won't say so. How many Bidiera for man or case Kokota? Ghana for you to me for a money headline say Bidiera for my case bay, and every day you the Bidiera for my to jail every day. Meba politician there. You to me ya talk pete waba. At the end of the day, no, second see a police case, no say this will not be the first police case. This will not be the first case here. For want of prosecution, until the accused person will be discharged. Of course, justice should be maybe obeying say a person is innocent until proven guilty. It is attorney general who need evidence here. You cannot cook evidence. You cannot cook evidence. That is why I suspect that NDC, what they will do is to report this matter to the General Legal Council. But I think NDC not catching himself. A lot of these things, circumstantial evidence. Baby, no said any evidence are admissible in court. A lot of these tapes recording here, baby, any admissible in court. I want to say they are concurring as you but open court, it's a different language. Cut up for crime, you can hold. Cut up for crime, you can court. And the any admissible, you can't force it down under any court to say by force. You need to. You can hear what they are admissible. Be our standard. What is admissible is hearsay. When you tape, whether or not it me say, what you now ebinu yan kolantia. If you are ebinu yan kola, but listen to this. So carry 77 passes of cocaine na ira what ma abono a me dey na tema girl. Justice say first so far wood. Say na court of appeal judge. Or na ye settle justice judge na wood committee. No that no. Even when there was a recording about 77 passes of cocaine, any purported cocaine dealers are now operation. Even that, they have to test the tape. And we are saying now, committee anymore. They brought voice experts. If you look at the proceedings, no, any court records, no, committee the record, they will show you. All the voice experts by one interpreting. Why voice now was a cocaine tape, so who and who were there? You do baby, but I say you jump to conclusion that as soon as he is guilty, because of elections. We should be careful the kind of a president you know. Now in any case, what I also know, what should be a caution to MPP for, because meaning say almost so tape baby, almost want to release it. MPP for also have uncovered some tapes they want to release. We don't care about Mutebu. What we are saying is judiciary is a no-go area for anybody. For this or MPP, any more power now will be penalty now. Allow them to collapse the judiciary. Because when you collapse the judiciary, we are finished. Elections back in Tokwame. If the last place that these disputes are able to be resolved is the judiciary, in the court. It's a Mugu court in any matter. If you collapse the court, if you disgrace the court, if you allow confidence in the court to be reduced to zero, and if an election petition by Modebeko, every senior MPP, election petition by Mumi and Modebeko. Fight your own fight, but leave the judiciary out of it. Leave the judiciary out of it. Money go for them, and I know that from day one I go for them by there were people who didn't like the idea. I know there are these politics. MPP so time or more opposition NDC or NDC so all the attorney general that they brought NDC MPP 14 to have issues with it. I think the only person NDC appointed as attorney general you saw the thing there. Mathew Opoku
Vim lady any akwakotie no abantino. Vim lady there were to be the amani attorney general say. Unim sani emrane tie. In the first place, who share the sa woman who share will be share or come mudim common idea. Media audio sibia baba secret of secret bia baba tibiano. Media beni beje MP before the amabwa no the farmer hammer win and batch of mamu harry mopa na mo fembra bonten na ya so me prunde de me boni dede on amobia atibi. Na yet Kromanum say and a Kevin Taylor. I think last week in a metana for the mado sounds some never so man. Na Kevin Taylor basi tia CSM energy minister Mathew Opoku Prempeh because say na Mathew who could pan a refini now making allegations say Mathew Opoku Prempeh na fango who be allegations be mokai aha unya ngon kaya me so school kwase ho ubehu na Kevin Taylor ever so magana for nyina tia CSM as a fango who say so many 3 other companies be MPP amanyoku no bawomia say ono ye wo mo flag bearer ene na po wo mo pesika dia campaign nti sika na wo pe dia campaign no just wo mo be say o manga na fango ho nsensem no wo mo pesika bi wo ma obeka say yi sofo ba ko bi wo ne kra ne na pontemi nye kama ena sofo na wo ne na pontemi nye kama ina so no bawomia betumi sofo no betumi aka che bawomia say o fa na posa na ponye na running mate na mo ne na pa fa chire akwa akoto fango bi disikani aden aha lawyer fans je lawyer fans of watija de modam akuma so emeni je ye papa sa me kan ko honom no makai sabe ya me na mo ka say the energy ministry on the letter to 20 and the aba bonte kire say ensema Kevin Taylor aba bonte me kan ye nyina no nukura bi enim sika bi en honom a wo medi na wo mo kura no fango ho sensem no kura no wo mo nkampo nko ho na pone fango ho sensem bia ni bebia aka into one of the entro they are only looking for ways woman be first to their disgrace na person so woman him say Napo ba no be running mate the man bawomia bibia betumi akokɔso ye na atumi aboa na wo matumi ewini election no saso na ambulance won senseme attorney general ene jakpa jese no so ababeda ni bibia wo hodo mo krom ha ne se no so nyensam ketwa so kra no okuja tablo kwa ono so ababe fire e dia fascinate ene brand champion wa baso wo tiske bi yakoto bi ni ade nyina no mesha so obeka me ho ne yakɔ ne yakɔ akotie sansem we na so abasisia
ensem so de krata babonten ese wo mo anya ntie se wo nipa bi ekeka nsem bi eye ensem a egu osoafo no ena hwanyina mahoden ensem so Dr. Mathew Opoku Prempeh ne hufin na sa brante brante Kevin Taylor ya wakwa akotena abrochima mu a woto ayampia ene nkro ne ba na ensem no a Kevin Taylor eka ye no osu se energy minister ne NPP 2024 campaign no womo ba benya emfasutro bi yesika pudo $150 million every contract bia sa contract no Talo Cosmos GMPC na Petro SA womo ehubom mu na wo kire se sa ansem a abrante Kevin Taylor eka en utimu se abrante no ankasa kra na nsem no ensisi so enna contract ko a woka ho asem kra no wantimi amfa emunchiremu ankasa ama na chese ne epache nyina ne se abrante Kevin Taylor na wiata so se energy minister Dr. Mathew Opoku Prempeh ena obegu ne ho efim na ne senti ena energy ministry no wo so ede krata babonte efa Ghana ye nyine mahoden ehon nsensem na se ye fango ehon ensem na wo chirechire mu ani di kan de wo de ba ene se eba contract ya efa ye fango no ho a enye energy ministry na se jahoden asoye no ena isi wo na so mdo omsa ebe hyase edi se contract no eye Talo se eye Cosmos se eye GMPC se eye Petro SO se eye hwanyu no asoye no eni ho ma chekura etuom ni mu asem na esa hwehwemu kakra wa exenka Kevin Taylor no etimi edrosu ko ye hwehwemu kakra nka sa ni mgwasem wi wo ma abonten emeka afenso asoye ne se won peso mu hunu se abrantie Kevin Taylor no wa tuna buase aye hwehwemu fiko ehunu anamuntu a wose asoya wo hwenyina mahoden so etu anase bi eba de se contract binim se yi a wo mo chefa wo mo eye ewo mu omu nyinni esa brante ne etu saa na mo no enunti ene oba bonten ebeto saa ayampia tra ya enyina so bia enimu na emumu no energy minister yi no wariata so se obegu ne ho efi na de atoso miensa nsoso anu yi a wo de ba ene se wohwe said the ensam no etie said the abrantie Kavintela eka no no a na chese Dr. Mathew Opoku Prempeh ene 2024 NPP campaign no na chese se sika no ehon faso no ebeba ede ama wo mo na so ministry no epeso wo ka ede tudwa pay ese owura Von Asafwajeyi ya Kavintela ebo ni din se saa deal no ono eka ho bi na saa Safwajeyi no ono dom NDC amayoko no pa HSM ode no ho ebo NPP amayoko no enti wo musu se nana Safwajeyi bi a ne ba ene saa abrante Safwajeyi a wo mo eka no ho asemi na ono no emi bi atwam na oye managing director Eda GMPC ano brasa abre no na mampanyi dada John Evans Atama sa wonya ne ba biko ene mampanyi dada John Mahama wo mo ena na ehwe omeyi eso enti samwa abrante Kavintela ekeka no enso bia enyina mu afenso wo mo di nyano ahodo bebre makomako edu ena wo mo ede eba ya wo mo di aba be yi sa abrante Kavintela insemu a wo keka na de atwato ena wo mo echechire mu esen womo de adesede to Ghana for enim ese sabio ensebi honomu a na obi ede betudwa ya na nyina so obi enim na rehosem ne se obehwe no nipa na kan ya na omanfo afa ne tra na omo asomukua ebe den se ubenya sa nipa dodo no a womo te na hyase no womo asan ate anoyie ene se de ensem no mu ankasa etie na womu kiremu a wei eye ade bi a ha adwene eye pa enti womo esre Ghana for se sansem nyina eya trosem ebosremuka ya chese enyina so bia enim enti womo emmo etumu ekrata yi Kofi Abrefa Afena ya ono na ye communication specialist esanso eye press aid Emma Oswafo da enyina mahoden asoye na no Dr. Mathew Opoku Prempeh ono na nesa ehye krata yi ase
any court and sensemu yewra atoba force ho sensem de na wotwe twa mu ane na wotwe ye chase na de ene ensem de wajen ho me na pa de bon krata mu TV so radio so ene ba bibia ene woni a o mai ho nsem hia wo no peso hu sade ye bo obi din se emra e bisa na asamba ko mienu miensa ya Ghana for peso hu se asamba nkasa no ekobie e wo he ambulance ho sensem e na wotwe de yewra atoba force ni bi no and I cry na former director ya no work na school of law opani osan yemra ni nipa de ene owura ansa asano ase Ghana na nkasa agoropa na yeye na se boapaye anasi ya header pesa wotri Ghana ho a wonti ase ade asemo a wose attorney general e wa conference ye boatame papa no odwene ho ba bia wonti ase na wa nkasa wo yemra ni so wo yemra ni o na wo mra ni na wo yen wo ni sade yemra ni sika anato awia anumre anopa esuo mu sade yemra no esika safa asem bia ho sakoba se bia obi twiri tikura koto bibi na se bia de ko wanyanto anase bia de Ghana ni bi boja de sasa sumese na so bentia wokoto ade anase bia no dabi de wo hwe musi edi na kino a wo de lie dum te be ye hwe mu ni ade anase kwanye nipa na fa so wokoto asa ade no ade na wo so man mra no hwe mu ni ade a na wo mra ni na wa dwe mra di mra da mra se mra no na wo effect tire ni obi edi nkomo sa no saba ya asan do buato benkumo fa so ni ade no a ewi e na wo ho ya hikwata ni bana sabi ye de jina emra ni mo no ensam de wasani bi mu ba.
My candid opinion is that the learned attorney general knows or redeemed to know the law. Apart from the judges, I think the other person we can say the law rests both on the attorney general. The attorney general ought to know where, how, and when we have to meet accused person, and in the residence of a sitting justice of the Supreme Court. It is scandalous. And the attorney general must resign, or the president must fire him. This thing happened in 1975 in the case of the Republic versus Dr. Isaac Oninigan. A similar plea bargaining was entered into by the then learned attorney general, who was also the acting dean of the Faculty of Law, University of Ghana, Mr. Justice Austin Emisa. And Ghanaians will should advise me. He has to advise himself. To reply, consider all the surrounding circumstances. Whether he can continue examining him or not is neither here nor there. One of the 1992 Constitution, the Attorney General is the principal legal advisor to the chief executive of the state and the government of the Republic of Ghana. Under Article 8, 4, and 5, he has not only orders but absolute control over the prosecution and conduct of the
Sambala kujato abrakwa aye mrasaba toniya wajina mwadima adasiya one of Tamba Trumpa so and this amanyukomu dimu na wapari ya tujwa atrasa duba biya wadrasiya duna nyuma bukuma wawuna sasa nipa binumu wapa apa suwa maana wampa gana fomu na nkaya nwara sana amana sasa leta jumakuo wata sama kuma kunsi ya shamu sasa mwasho ahusi kachuchiri nyewe ya chira Ghana by matabiri bidi ya kumano Nani papa akopa ya wano ya swafo ya osho me ya gra kwa chamu zansho Ora Brian Champion which made you hamu chemu adusia 60% Adaman was a papano wanto na saadi ya kwa kwa shwa no wano adatu huwa wantiasi wawuna nse wa mani na nipa binipasa wama chese abone baye asa Ghana nuwa kake na msuntino wano wacheba semne dinkadi ya kuma shra dada so munye mujishuku enso wa ni tirimu ntene no enam so ntene wose wano no baba ji Ghana fo anim ye bayo ya tro chenche wa ma Ghana mu na sa sene tadmeko no wo mpesa wo ton wo mo hotels emu nan adema Dr. Brian Champion no sa de ni nyina da etotimi twa afa wadan krata kwa ma manimu fo ye no so wo mo tabresa ne baya sa de ni nyina to betumi atwa Ghana hotels no asanso ba sene tedie biem wasa no na betumi ama na koma to ne yam sanse wo man no 700 anya ba ko fodia.
I have served the Ghana Police Service with a notice of demonstration because latest documents have intercepted reveal that they are going ahead with the sale and purchase and that the petition Ashraj has not stopped the parties. Clearly they are taking advantage of the lacuna in the Shraj law which does not give them injunction powers. So Shraj cannot injunct, doesn't have that power, and I think that moving forward is one of the amendments that we need to bring to the Shraj law. So I want us to scale up the public agitation, ratchet up pressure, and get all of these public officials who are clearly not acting in our interest. They should listen to the outrage, the public anger, and stop what they are doing. But they are refusing to. So in compliance with the Public Order Act at 491, I have notified the police that on the 18th of June 2024 at 9 a.m. we shall be leading a public manifestation, a demonstration against this sale. We intend to begin, I've given them the route. We intend to start in front of the Labadi Beach Hotel, proceed through La Palm Royal Beach Hotel, through the ministries, and then end at the Jubilee House, where we intend to present a petition to His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, because these are all his appointees, all of those who are acting, the people selling as net, his cabinet minister who is keen on buying, they are all his appointees. And he told us that if people want to come into his government to do business and to make money, they should know that his government is not the place for them. They should go to the private sector, stay there and make money. They shouldn't come to the public sector and use public office for personal gain to do business. So I'm wondering what's going on and why it's been more than a week. The TUC has spoken. The coalition of civil society organizations against corruption have spoken. They held a press conference asking the president to directly intervene, to step in. We have heard Professor Yanka, we've heard Dr. Jimandua and many others, you know, from clergy, academia, experts, procurement experts, analysts, many people, young people, the workers who are at the risk of losing their jobs in these hotels. And yet the president refuses to speak and his people are going ahead. So that is the next phase. If they thought that they will take advantage of the Shraj challenge of not able to impose an injunction, and so they will try to finalize this deal before the Shraj report is concluded, then they are mistaken. We are ready to hit the streets and we have notified the Ghana police.
Ekoko so ni nyina no ene yakwa akotie abali ntino the education ministry ni de Well, in summer Kevin Taylor allegations are hold over make against me amid the share Mathew Opoku Prempeh no kwebiara any sansem we will be uncle ton sikebi obi uncle ton fangubia sikebi uncle di will be a honor in the sign news and show there one more best let him move for Kevin Taylor no a kwame obaso of us should be a good Napo any mass about chinmutan crana running mates today Napo don't worry okay me do but as baby I go copy no nipa na wo kwa partner na mini gidie e wani muza over the weekend accident we cause wo krom hanum say na accident no cause no a lot of sensema na ababontia babe say this time Kojon cancer low in accident once I'm making. I think 3 days today and then in 2 days and in ram. But not video hanum say there are a lot of issues and the ababa so me fa Kojon cancer low in a winya e wa makum abofra we did 3 years abofra no involved in the accident abofra no kwa de wa hwere nkwa ne papa nso ne nan eno so anya asam keto azise no papa no ya se agese ekoye ne surgery ni ade agese abeda ne nsem bebe ne social media no so be bia befa bia no wo bia ka ho asem wo bia ede na no etumu bi a wo mo kire se Kojon Kasa lo wen de miama bo videos wo hanuma no ne ni abra wo ko speed papa which makes it look like say speed you know and a cause it so accident ni ade sabe ya me mo kasa
Amafwe Kumasi online TV production yaba ne de ne yaba ye the equipment ekukudam ana ye de aba se eye camera de enam wiem de nam fom de enam insuum ni nyina ye wo bi e wo honom a TV production yabo a hu ye pa se wo ye dwumadie bi ete se wedding eye engagement and sorry ana schools se wo ye sem na bi na pese betwa ko all the social media networks and so e de amaw ye ni ntotonsa na fre eye Kumasi online TV production for na yamra na ye dwumadie ne ne mfama kama fe a ebo no eda fom pa the production so the sound quality video quality ni nyina e wo soro wo pese wo hu ba bi e wa ye wo Kumasi eye tia media opposite one ma ana se tonsa ne fre wa homa true so 0550623377 Kumasi online TV production ye demufua e wo Kumasi kodua mu
Kumasi Online GH.